everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video we're going to take a tour and show you W.P. Franklin North Campground, which is located just outside of Fort Myers, kind of north and east of Fort Myers. And as we make our way into the park here, we're going to come up to the gates, and those gates close at sunset. There's the gates right there on the right and left. Like I said, they close at sunset, and they give you a combination so you can get back in and out of the park after hours. And then here we have the gatehouse where you would check in. And then as you can see, this fifth wheel that's kind of parked in the middle, that is the dump station. And we're gonna make our way to our campsite here. We were camped on site number 19, and we're just gonna go off to the right here. You get a better look of what the dump station's like. It's kind of tight, so if you have a big rig, you just gotta go in there kind of slow. We were not fortunate enough to get a campsite that is on the water. There's 3 campsites that are kind of located in the middle of this little peninsula island type thing. And like I said, we were on site number 19. And there's a better look of what our site looked like. Now we're starting all over here back by the gatehouse. We're going to get down into the actual tour. Off on the left hand side is one of the shower houses. I think that's more for like day use area and for the campers on this end of the island. Here's where the dumpsters are and recyclables. And they have a boat launch. And then we're going to start showing you campsites, starting with site 30. This campground is located along the Caloosahatchee River. It's part of the Okeechobee Waterway. This campground has a tropical atmosphere that provides an excellent setting for visitors to camp, fish, boat, and just enjoy some quiet time. Next, we're going to be showing you these campsites, which are on the dam side of the campground of the W.P. Franklin Lock and Dam. And you can kind of see the fishing pier off in the distance. Site 22 is a pull-through site right there on the left. There's a campground host. W.P. Franklin North Campground is on the north side of the river and offers 30 Class A tent/RV sites, and all with electric and water hookups. So there are no sewer sites here. And there's another pull-through site, site 11, which I would say is probably, in my opinion, good for like a Class B van. If you have something with a slide out, you're right on the road. Sites 10 and 9 are nice sites as well. And site 8 is an excellent site. It is a handicap site though. This campground is almost completely surrounded by the Caloosahatchee River, with just a narrow stretch of land connecting it to the shore. The Caloosahatchee River is part of a 152-mile Okeechobee Waterway that spans to South Florida from the Atlantic Ocean to the Gulf of Mexico. And we're going to end the site with site 1 here. That is the campground host. And here's another look at the dump station. And there is the shower house. One of them, it's more or less a bathroom with just one shower. I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. And they do have one shower. They also have this little charging station. You can, it's got ports in there where you can charge cell phones, computers, and then they have a little picnic bench there that kind of is on the like an inlet side where and they have an alligator that likes to hang out there in that little bay area. And now we're going to take a closer look at sites 21, site 20, and then site 19, which is where we are at. And we were here before we got our fifth wheel, so that is our older travel trailer. And here's another look at site 21 and site 20, which is not my favorite. You're kind of buddy camping with people you really not sure. So out of all of them, their site 19 we feel is the better, and that's just our opinion. Then we're going to come up, you get another look at site 11, and you can see if you're on that site and you have slide outs, when you come around the curve here, your slide outs are right basically on the road. So like I said, that pull through site is best for like class B vans or something with no slide outs. But we have seen people there with bigger rigs that do have the slide outs. And here's another look, or not another look, but here's a look at the shower house, the bigger one that's got 3 stalls. And they were relatively clean. They have hooks, no benches to put your things on, but they do have hooks. And of course the handicap shower stall does have a bench in there. So here's another look of the lock and dam area. And this, where I'm standing, it's kind of weird how you have to get to it. You kind of have to go through campsites 9 and 10, which you can see right there. So you're kind of walking through somebody's campsite to get to this area. But they do have a pavilion there with electricity. It kind of comes to a point on the one end of the island here. This is great to go and watch the sunsets. You get some really gorgeous sunsets there. And next, this is the fishing pier that you can go off of. There are a lot of people that come in just to go fishing on this pier. So we'll just show you that area. WP Franklin Campground, it's not too far from the downtown Fort Myers, where they have flea markets, grocery stores, malls, and the historic Thomas Edison / Henry Ford home, and the beautiful golf beaches are all within a short driving time from the campgrounds. This COE park is, I have to say, one of my favorite ones so far. AT&T cell service was pretty good, and over-the-air TV was excellent, being that you're so close to Fort Myers. If you like this video and find it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it with somebody you know that likes to camp at COE parks. Next here, we're showing you the W.P. Franklin South Recreation Area, where you can visit the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Visitor Center, which is right there in that building. It is directly across the river from the campground. So I highly recommend that you check this out. This recreation area is adjacent to the W.P. Franklin Lock and Dam. Visitors can watch boats traversing the 152-mile Okeechobee Waterway that spans south from the Atlantic Ocean to the Gulf of Mexico. And you can also enjoy exhibits at the visitor center or just relax with a picnic lunch. This day use area has a visitor center, which we showed you already. They have a boat ramp, volleyball, horseshoe courts, playground, and several covered picnic sites. Flush toilets and drinking water are also available. There are 2 group picnic shelters available for reservation. Each shelter has water and electricity, 6 picnic tables, a large charcoal barbecue grill, and can accommodate up to 50 people. And we're just going to show you a little bit more of the day use area. going to end the video here with some still photos that I've taken. Also, we've gotten quite a few new subscribers to our channel. I'd just like to welcome you to Flatlanders RV Travels. And if you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you. We really appreciate your support. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Ring that bell for notifications so you're notified every time we release a new video. And don't forget to hit that like button. That really helps us out. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching and happy camping.